I've got a spare door sensor. What should I do with it? Imagine if...
I'm in a bad place. Not sure how to proceed. Please. Ben, send help. Meet me in the park on Friday at 8 p.m. For some reason, I can only send a letter and not contact you in any other way.
I'll never let that happen. So I'm going to use this door sensor on my letterbox, and therefore I'll get a notification when we have mail. So I've put the sensor on my letterbox. I've put the small magnetic bit on the letterbox itself and the transmitter on the door, so that when they split apart, that sends the MQTT message that we can pick up. Back to my desk now to see the code. So I'm starting with the code that I wrote for my door sensor video. Hopefully this will come up in one of these corners and you can click and watch that if you want to see a sort of more detailed explanation of what's going on here. But I'll briefly walk you through it. So start at the bottom here. We initiate the MQTT client class, which again I made in my first video, so I'll hopefully link that at the top as well. Get the client out, subscribe to the topic. So for this one we were subscribing to the new sensor that I got, then setting the on message callback function to on message, and here's that small function. So we print the topic, we get the payload, decode the payload, and then we look at the contact part of the JSON, and if it's true we say the door is closed because there's contact between the magnet and the sensor, and if it's not then it's open. Pretty straightforward. So let's change this now to for the letterbox. We're not going to turn the light on and off. We're just going to send a message. I've already added the sensor to Zigbee to MQTT, and it's under letterbox. Surprise, surprise. And we need to get rid of this because we don't need that function. We don't need that function. And we only care about if there's not contact. So if there's not contact, I'm going to say letter through the door. And we don't care about this. And that, I believe, is that. So let's just run this. And now got the sensor. We put them together. Letter through the door. Take them apart. Take them apart again. Letter through the door. Here I put connect to Vibe API. So I connect to the Vibe API and send a message to my phone via that way. It also means I can send it to various other people. So I can send it to my wife, for example. And we can be alerted when there's mail. Maybe I'll make another video about how to do that. So that's it. That was pretty short and sweet. I wanted to try and make him one a bit shorter. Let me know if you do this and if you have fun in the comment section, and please like and subscribe, and see you next time.